Okay, this is my review of the Crossman 357 air pistol. Alright, starting off, the gun is mostly metal. It's kind of heavy. I think it weighs about 2.2 pounds, I'm not sure. It shoots about 430 feet per second. I haven't chronographed this yet. Just got it, really. The grips are, hard plastic as usual. Trigger is metal. Hammer is metal. You have a safety right here, this button. Safety off, safety on. And then when the hammer is not engaged, you do have to pull it back a little bit to get it to lock and unlock. Alright, it does have a break barrel only for your pellets. Some people say you can put BBs in here, I'm not sure. I haven't. It holds 10 rounds. Just put that back together. It is single and double action. I think this is mostly plastic, the barrel. There's your typical sights, and you can adjust these right here. A little screwdriver. Has a little blade sights here. It's very detailed and it's actually very heavy. Well, not very, but it's fairly weighty for it to be an air pistol. Alright, now you remove the grips. This is empty. Remove the grips, plastic. Underneath that is metal in your CO2 housing area. Have to unscrew this. And this piece actually fits back into here, so you don't have this piece sticking out of the bottom. That's very annoying. It's very detailed, and the only thing I don't like about this gun is that the paint around these areas tend to just scrape off, even if you hit it on something minor. So this was from the pellet tin can, and it kind of scratched it a little bit, and the paint just comes right off. That's kind of stupid. But it was only $44.99, so what do you expect? Alright, and it does 0.177 pellets, so it can hold the destroyer pellets and the hollow points and all of that. But yeah, overall, it's a very good gun. Out of a 1 to 10, I would give it an 8. Pretty solid 8. I have shot it a few times, and it's pretty good. It does release the pellets as soon as you can pull the trigger, so that's always a good thing. Haven't tested the actual distance on it, but they say it shoots around 430. And when I get a chronograph, we'll see. Thanks for watching.